Hi, this is Sue with Mini Math Minutes. Today we're going to look at how to multiply exponents. It's going to be short, it's going to be sweet, and you'll know how to do it. So let's get started. Today we're going to talk about multiplying exponents. So just a quick review. When we're talking about exponents, what we're talking about is how many times a term is used as a factor. So x cubed actually means x times x times x, and 5 squared means 5 times 5, which is 25. Okay, so now we're going to actually look at multiplying exponents. When we multiply exponents, the general rule looks like this. If you have x to the a times x to the b, you get x to the a plus b. And that is the rule for multiplying exponents. But what does it mean in real life? Well, let's look at some examples. Let's say we had x squared times x cubed. Well, that would mean x times x times x times x times x. How many x's are we multiplying together here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would give us x to the 5th. And if we notice, on this side, we could just add these exponents. So what we're actually doing is we're counting how many x's are being used and multiplied together. 2 here times 3 more here means we have 5 x's multiplied together. Okay, what happens if we introduce some numbers? What happens if we have 2x cubed times 5x? That's a great question. And we're going to do it the long way, and then we'll do it the short way. So we have 2 times x times x times x times 5 times x. Well, that's pretty straightforward. 2 times 5 is 10. And how many x's are multiplied together here? 1, 2, 3, 4, x to the 4th. And of course, we could have taken a shortcut. So on this side, let's take a look. You have the 2 times the 5, which is 10. And how many x's are multiplied together? Well, there's 3 x's multiplied together here times 1 more x. That gives us x to the 4th. Very nice. So I'm going to write one down, and you can try it on your own. Let's say 2x squared y times 5xy to the 4th. So you can pause the video and try it on your own. Okay, welcome back. So let's just go ahead and do the shortcut. When we multiply the coefficients, we get 2 times 5, which is 10. How many x's are being multiplied together here? Well, we have 2 x's here and another x here. That means 3 x's are multiplied together. That gives us x cubed. And how many y's are multiplied together? Well, you have y times how many y's here? 4 of them. So that means you have 5 y's multiplied together, and that's our answer. Do you want to try one more? Okay, one more for the road. Just for fun, let's throw in a negative sign. So let's make this negative 3xy times 4x to the 4th, y to the 5th. Let's see what's happening. So we have a negative 3 times 4. That gives us negative 12. And remember, the negative only applies to the coefficient. And then here we have x and times x to the 4th. That gives us 5 x's multiplied together. And we have a y here and 5 more y's being multiplied together. And that gives us y to the 6th. And that's it. That is the story of multiplying exponents. If this was helpful, go ahead and like me, subscribe, leave me a comment, or reach out to me at furmantutoring.com. See you soon.